like work tees that are of course at the bottom. Saying goodbye to all my friends as we Urban Outfitters. Let's check. It was a hot mess before I just typed. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, then welcome back. I honestly wasn't going to pick up the camera and film today, but I decided to last minute like deep clean my room. I am currently going through all of my drawers. I need to go through under my bed. I need to get rid of a bunch of stuff, donate things to Goodwill, post things on Poshmark, so on and so forth. So that is what I'm doing, and I figured that I would pick up the camera and film it because I like watching other people clean because it makes me feel motivated. So maybe this can motivate some of you guys to clean out your room or your house or like whatever your living situation is. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go through some of these drawers. This is my t-shirt drawer, like random shirts, pajamas, long sleeve sweatshirts, jean shorts, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through this and then basically take everything out, fold it, and then figure out if I need to give anything away. I'm also watching vlogs in the background, so if you see that on the screen, that's what's happening. I feel like I have such a hard time getting rid of some things sometimes just because I feel like some shirts are like sentimental. I'm not a super sentimental or like materialistic person, but like certain things, like I have this college t-shirt from when I was at Syracuse and we went to the Final Four in basketball, and I like was literally at one of these games leading up to the Final Four. I don't know, so, like stuff like this is just like sentimental, and I'm like, it doesn't really fit me anymore and I don't really wear it, but it'd be like cool to just hang on to, be like, yeah, I was there for that. That's like sick. This is like a college memory, you know what I mean? My kids will be able to look at it one day and be like, oh my god, that's so cool, and then they can wear like my vintage Syracuse t-shirt. Good old sorority shirt. Love that. It has my last name on the back. This is obviously not my last name, this is like a nickname. I have like 3 different piles going on. Honestly, not even 3 different piles, but we have go back and drawer shirts. This goes here as well. I have 1 shirt that I found that I want to donate, and then I have 2 that I think I can put on Poshmark and sell for like $5. I also have this massive donation pile out here, so it's just all accumulating. What the heck is this? I literally have stuff on here that still has tags on it, so that's sick. This looks like it's gonna fit a Barbie doll. One of my boobs would fit in this. Next drawer is done. I have my short sleeve tops that are not cropped, and then all of my like work tees that are of course at the bottom because I'm not even going to work. Basic tanks. I have my dressier tanks. We have crop tops, and then I have all of my long sleeve shirts, and I have stuff that I have to put away still, so that's why there's like a lot of space, but at least this drawer kind of like looks so much better now. Fact about this sweatshirt is that I got it when I went with my dad to San Francisco, and in college I went to make chicken nuggets in the oven and I burned 2 holes in the sleeves touching the oven with the sweatshirt. So this is the chicken nugget disaster. Next drawer down, we have comfy t-shirts, comfy long sleeve shirts, and then some additional sweatshirts that don't fit in the drawer that's under my bed. Making some real progress here, although I was just not expecting that to do this tonight, so it's a little bit stressful, but we're making some progress and I feel a little bit better. One we have summer skirts, fall skirts, and then shorts for like literally the summer, I guess, but that's all done. That means that this dresser is officially finished. Yay, it's all organized. We found 2 shirts to donate and a few things to sell on Poshmark. I don't know if I want to tackle that or not. Okay, I just listed all that stuff on Poshmark just to get it out of the way and off my bed. And now I'm going to go through some of these drawers that are underneath my bed. I have this drawer that has like a lot of really random stuff in it, and then I also have this cabinet that just collects everything. As you can see, that is literally like the definition of a hot mess. So I'm gonna go through it and organize it, and then also go through this drawer, and I'll take you guys with me as I do that. So I keep all of my candles under here. Smells so good. Smells so weird. I keep all my candles under here, so I know that these can go off to the side for now. I am not a fan of that candle. That does not smell good. The test that never happened. Does anyone else have just like an absurd amount of change like laying around because you don't know what to do with it? I like am too scared to go to the bank and ask for them to exchange it for cash. So I just have like wads of random pennies and wrapped up coins and stuff like that. I'm gonna leave my books and stuff like that in here because I don't have any other place to put my books, but all this other stuff I need to like rearrange. I made this last summer when John and I spent like pretty much the whole summer together. And all these pictures from the beach. I cannot believe that was over a year ago. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put everything back, I guess. This organizing did not go as planned. Alright, I honestly don't know if that's any better than what it was before, but it makes me feel better knowing that I went through it. I have this pile of stuff that's like miscellaneous that I don't know where it's gonna go yet, so gotta figure that out basically. But this makes me feel a little bit better. Now time for this part. I got distracted cleaning my room, looking through old pictures. It's so interesting just to see what life used to be like when I was little. This makes me super nostalgic. Saying goodbye to all my friends as we moved for like the 5th time, I'm sure. Sad and happy at the same time. I love finding these old pictures. What is up, you guys? It's the next day. I am continuing this productive clean with me vlog because last night I started to clean the below section of my bed like you saw, and then I got stuck going down memory lane and ended up looking at pictures for several hours and journals. I love to journal and I love to like read back on them just to see how like different my life is and how much it's changed. So I need to continue deep cleaning my room today. I need to wipe everything down with Lysol. I need to vacuum the floor, put some clothes away. I'm gonna go through my sweater drawer that's on this side. This cabinet got cleaned up. Yeah, that's what we're doing. This outfit I'm actually really loving. This top is from Urban Outfitters. I'm pretty sure this skirt is from Urban Outfitters. Let's check. Urban Outfitters. I think I'm wearing a size small. These shoes are just my platform Vans, and then these earrings I actually just got from Madewell. They came in the mail yesterday. I wanted a pair of like everyday gold hoops that I could wear that aren't as big as my other one. I'm not really going anywhere other than I went to get Starbucks this morning, but I felt like dressing up and looking cute, so here we are.
It's been a good day, now it's time for us to celebrate. Let's hit the town, get ready now. I'll roll you one on the way. The night is young, down goes the sun. It's time to have some fun. Let's get high. Yeah. Tonight's the night. Let's smoke this and then we can slide.
I just took off a massive chunk of paint on my dresser and I don't even know how that just happened. What the heck? Well, took a break to TikTok. Follow me.
My shit's way louder than everybody else's. Than everybody else's. Come on, than everybody else's. Do say and Bel-Air, popping bottles up in the air without a care. You need a blunt, I got 7. Let's have some fun. Pass the ball, roll some more.
We have jeans, leggings, sweatpants. That looks way better than it did before. It was a hot mess before. I just kept throwing things in the cabinet. Wow, it looks like literally so much better. Oh, this is clean and wiped down. I haven't vacuumed yet, but I need to do that. Actually, it's honestly not that bad. Those are all stains. And then this is all cleaned up. My bed looks nice and comfy. Wow. I'm a fan. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video here because I just wanted to do like a little clean with me / productive vlog. And now I think I'm gonna go lay by the pool for a while because it's really nice out and my tan is fading and we cannot have that. So I'm gonna end off this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.